Welcome to eDrill 101. If you're a returning customer, glad to see you back. If you're a new customer, thank you for joining the eDrill family. We're here to support you. My name is Sam Doreen, and as I said, we're going to walk through everything related to eDrill. We'll start with theory of operations, we'll get into unboxing, building the system, and then we'll get into the hand tools and the other parts that are involved in the system. First, a little bit about eDrill, right? Theory of operation. eDrill is the world's only handheld EDM device, and we use that to sink an electrode into the head or tail of a fastener to remove it in a better, faster, and safer way than you get with the traditional twist drill. eDrill operates using high pressure water as our dielectric. What that water does is three things. It cools the area, it allows the event to take place, and it also keeps the area clean from any debris or fought you'd normally find while using a twist drill. We use a copper electrode to cut down inside the fastener to a depth we prescribe based off the engineering drawing of that fastener. The eDrill system consists of the touchscreen display, the mobile service unit or MSU, eDrill hand tools, and a series of guides, adapters, and location tools to ensure you are perfectly centered on the shank and head of that fastener to prevent any damage from being caused to your aircraft structure or engine systems. With that, let's get into it.